Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn June 2024 Section C question. This was in Gujarat Secondary Education Board past board examination question, and the question is solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method, and there are two linear equations are given. 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. These are the equation are given, and by elimination method we have to find the value of x and y. When we are saying the pair of the linear equation, so that means we have to identify the value of x and y. Okay, now we know these are the given equation, so I number it as this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay, so to for the elimination method we have to eliminate one of the variable. Either I eliminate x or either eliminate y. So once I eliminate one of the variables, so I will be able to in the position that I can find the value of the second variable. Okay, so this is the way the elimination method functions. Okay, so here it is 3x and 2x. These are the two different numbers, so I cannot eliminate directly. Here 4y and minus 2y, so I cannot directly eliminate. For that I have to make them identical. Either I make x identical or y identical. I cannot make the identical both, otherwise I will not be able to find any of the value. Okay, so multiply this equation by 1 and multiply by this equation by 2, right? So this will help me to how I identify that from what number I should multiply this equation. For that I am looking for this y value. It is a 4y. So here 2y. I know that if I multiply by 2, then it becomes a 4. 2 is a 4. So my y can be eliminated and I can evaluate the value of x. Therefore, I have decided this equation has to be multiplied by 2. And first equation multiplied by 1, that means it remain as it is. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is my first equation. It has remained as it is. And the second equation 2x multiplied by 2, that means it's a 4x. Minus 2y, it's multiplied by 2, therefore it becomes a minus 4y. The equal to 2 is multiplied by 2, therefore it becomes a 2 to the 4. Right? And now I'm not changing any sign because directly the plus 4y and minus 4y, that becomes a 0 because the plus minus minus. So I can directly plus 4y. I can directly what I can do, I cancel it. So it becomes a 0 plus 4y minus 4 is 0. And 3 plus 4 is 7x. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 7. It is in a multiplications with the x. So it will come out another side of equal. It will become in a denominator division. So x is equal to 14 by 7. So 7 to the, we know 7 to the 14. Therefore x is equal to 2. So now we have a one variable known to us, x is equal to 2. We can put this x value, whatever we find out by evaluating, we can now putting the value of x is equal to 2 in the equation. You can put this value in any of the given equation. Whether it's you put the value of in equation 1 or equation 2, it doesn't matter. Okay. So I am putting in this equation 2x minus 2y equal to 2, which is given in the question itself. 2 into x value is 2 from this, minus 2y equal to 2. So 2 to the 4 minus 2y equal to 2. 4, I am taking 2 on left hand side. So 4, it is a plus, but it comes in another side of equals, that's why it become minus. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2y. 2y I have taken on another side. 4 minus 2 is 2 equal to 2y. 2 upon 2 equal to y. I have taken this 2 from the multiplication to divide on the divided division from the left side of the equal. 2 by 2 equal to y. Therefore 1 equal to y is equal to 1. So now we have both the values. Pair of x, y is equal to 2, 1. 2x is equal to 2 we already find out, and y is equal to 1. So this question is asked in the board examination, and I hope this solution will help you to. By elimination method you will be able to solve such kind of the question, and if you can pause the video, you can see the multiple times and identify such a solution by yourself. Also you can practice such a examples. If you have any friends who are struggling with such a question, you can forward this video to them, share with them. If you like this explanation, please like this video, share with another friends, and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.